Ba, ba. Hi, welcome back for another J Chillin' Homies, where Allie leaves Mario Odyssey by herself, and hopefully this time we won't mess up the recording, because obviously I did, but we'll see. A lot of desert over there. If I go over there, will I die? Walk off the map. Walk off the map. Okay. What about this big one? Got it. Oh no, we need to help the Okay. Help. We're not gonna comment on what it is. Okay. You already said A. Why do you keep telling me that? I already know. Contact with it. Let's go find out what's going on. Ooh. Can I become a cactus? I can feed a cactus. I don't know how I feel about destroying my door. I don't know how I feel about destroying my environment. Okay. I guess there has to be a reason. Ooh, a music note. If I follow it, will something happen? Cool. The bird. I want to be one with the bird. How would I potentially consider throwing the second? Okay, I have to wait till the bird flies over here. And I want to throw it at the bird. Okay, that didn't work. Take that. Oh, I see why I want to move. Hang on. I don't know if I'm ever gonna be good at capturing the thing. Where's the bird? The bird again. This might just be me playing, trying to figure out where to find the bird. Where's the bird at? On this adventure, on this episode of trying to find out where the bird is, Allie tries to find out where the bird is. Mario freezes his butt off. Right here. What the hell is on his nose? Oh. Okay. From when I ran into the cactus, you know. Could I potentially climb the tree? Oh. Hang on, hang on. Climb it, you freaking. You were literally just on top of it. I feel like rage quitting right now. How the hell did I get on this bench? I mean, can I sit on the bench? Bird! Bird, where you at? Ah. Where'd the bird go? God damn it, where's the bird? He was here and then he wasn't here. Get back on top of it, please. Frick. Hang on. Up, get up. Okay. Man, oh my god. I'm shooting myself. What am I supposed to do on here? It's just, it gave me an arrow. What am I supposed to do? Crap. I walk on here. I guess if I unthaw everything, I can found that floaty guy. I feel like I'm a disgrace for abandoning that. What is this banana man? Oh. A Koopa? Okay. We're gonna try a game. Not 80. Wait, really? 75? Let's play again. Since this episode is just gonna be me fucking around. I feel like I'm doing much better this time. Wait! I think I did it. Yeah! Whoa! I got a power mode for that? What? Okay, alright, alright. Nothing. He was not happy with that. Okay. What about this guy? What is this guy? This poison I will obviously die from. Can I ride across it? Ding. Cactus. No. Where's the bird when I need it? Bird? Oh, heart. A bird! Literally a bird! Ugh. Goddamn ice. The secret passageway goes up there. It's underground, so they say. Ooh, an underground secret passageway, eh? Let's check out this very inconspicuous spot. Maybe this is where I need to land as the bird. Okay, can I climb it? But I can tell if I got up there, I would do very well. Hey, a moon power's up there. So what happens if I do this? And now what? Can't climb up there. What's up with this bus thing? A lizard? Ooh, ooh, no, back. Let me cap you. No! What the fuck? Why is this upside down? All of these are very important questions. Okay. Oh, the bird! The bird. Man, is it... Give me... A person in a car?
Hey, we went, Dad.
Wow.
Okay. Alright, I got it. I have to kill everything. But while we're at it, we're just exploring the world. This is gonna be 20 minutes of me exploring the world. All of which y'all don't have to watch. Skippable. We're gonna name this Skip. There's the edge of the world. Is this the bad guy? Did I skip everything and just go around? Okay, that doesn't feel right. Alright, hang on. That doesn't feel right. We're gonna go back to the start. That didn't feel right. I found the bad guy lair. I walked around everything. We are gonna come stand on this. What am I supposed to be doing? Oh. Hey, what's up there? There's something up there. Ooh, there's a moon over there. How am I going to get? Alright. Okay, let's go back. Can I, like, fast quit to the, can I fast quit to my house? Wait, don't fall off the edge of the map. Bunch of edge of the map. Where's the other sheep? Okay, game makers, the sheep need to be closer than this. Because the sheep are fucking gone. Okay, I don't understand. Ow, I don't like this, but I'm going. Bird! The bird! Oh, okay. Ooh, okay, so I can fly back to where I was originally. And we'll do that later. But first, the bird! How do I catch the bird? Stop this goddamn bird! What was I doing? Okay, I was trying to find the sheep for that guy. Hey, look, another sheep! If I roll... Okay, this is not making me roll, though. Pretty sure I gotta go back this way. Hey, got that. Got that. Get back, get back. Okay. Okay, so I killed the bird. I mean, I killed the sheep. Let's just call it a day. Let's just stop it. Let's just stop. Peace out, homies. Word to your mother.